Bagay.
That's the word of ang puni. Perseus was about to end his life. However, he remembered the story.
Ay. Yo, Mike. Mike. Ay.
Her beauty is giving chance.
Yeah, tumulan.
Because of her.
Mana di ay katara? Oh, yatay-tay. Oh! Ayaw mo po. Di madunggan.
Just because of some ugly ways.
I see the old one. The immortal Aphrodite. Maybe it's going to know Eris for so long.
Martaban niya dito si Vic.
Eris, my beloved son.
Ayaw mo doon, di madunggan.
It's just a simple task. I want you to make that ugly witch fall in love with the most ugly creature human in this earth.
Make your boy live, mother.
It's just an easy task. Make her fall in love.
What do you want me to do?
Just make her fall in love with some ugly human creature. Can't you do that to your mother?
I'll see what I can do, mother.
Oh, yatay-tay. Wow!
Mother's attention. Let's see if this mortal is worthy enough to honor my mother.
Oh, don't be mean to your younger beautiful sister. You may have a beautiful face like me, but you will never walk up the aisle like you did.
You can.
Wait!
How does it feel to not be big?
Mangyaro pata. Guganin yung ya. Ayaya.
Always on your back, listening to all those praises you receive. How pretty you are, how you look like a goddess, and how the people favor you. You made our existence invisible.
Nyabo.
Why I can feel bad for this sight.
Good.
What? That day will turn. You will die alone. You will die not experiencing love.
Dapat ako saktan sa Cersei eh.
Maybe I am really cursed.
That's not prophecy. I definitely no choice. I'm very sorry.
Pakalang ngarak ka. Aduh.
Very sorry.
Agoy. Looy. Ayun ba? Bukan na, seryoso talaga. Yadog-lado to pa standy.
Seryoso naman talaga. Ano meron? Pati may seryoso.
Ha?
Pati may seryoso.
Kanang walay seryoso.
Seryoso ka.
Go, Arcelet. Mati
This
tidak
whole
baik.
place is for you. Come in and do not be afraid. Prepare yourself and we will immediately attend your service. You are indeed a beauty. When I laid my eyes on you, I felt like I was enchanted. Hallelujah.
Really? I mean, I cannot see you, but I know you will not hurt me, right?
How could I? I will cherish you forever.
Ayun ba, tingin na miya pago. Ako na yung kinikilig.
How can you just go on I don't know? I want to see my family. Please.
Ano yung kilig-kilig niya? Kaya yan. Kaya yung kata mo. Hindi na alam.
I can help it. The trees are wrong. You are not
Gubayan mo yung face si Kwan, mabisa.
Messiah, can you leave me alone? This is my decision, and you have no say about this.
What kind of witness thinker that made you think like this? Let me remind you, Eris, if your mother were learning, she would despise and disown you as her own son.
That's why I married her. I'm really willing to know her as a person, as my wife, and as my whole life. I can't let her walk away. She'll leave me heartless if she'll do that.
You will never have a happy ending.
Lumayram
You
people
are
like
one,
one.
and she is a mere dirty mortal.
I know you don't want to.
Correct ka mo para.
No.
Oh my God, I would never leave her say that. He is our companion. You cannot leave me like that. I'm not your mother. I will not
Niya, titinagam.
My dear son neglected me.
Insult me all you want, dear goddess, but I do anything to see Eris. Please, beg me.
If you really want to meet my son, you have to face the challenges that I will let you. Do you really want to meet my son?
Please, I'll do anything in my power to see Eris.
Dahiram galo.
Okay then, follow me.
Yata ita. Yata ulit. Matipan. Ika first minute, talo ka tas.
I can't believe you successfully did it.
Next na na. Naba, talo pa. Ika first pang ganyanan. Talo mga katas. Nami ba naman padaw kita talo katas? Dapan. Pagkwamban. Kararangitan mo daan
Then, if you really want to meet
Kararangitan
you
si
have to come with me.
Mat last sin ang sige kuan Hades. Sige Valeri.
What's wrong?
Gonar! Wow!
You better not
Ito biling ka
find me.
Wow!
Good up, innocent Aris. I know you said some words that are not blessing to
Maganda.
outline your God.
Di pa sila nung sa dua akuan.
She even went to the underground just